What's up, everybody? Hey, Brian Tong here at AWE 2023. And if you don't know what this is the premier conference for anything with AR, VR, XR. This is the space where a lot of the big companies and brands are showcasing their latest hardware and software and how this space is continuously evolving. So I came out here to XREAL's booth. If you aren't familiar, right? XREAL was NREAL. They changed the branding because you might have been familiar with this. I got to check these out. These are the XREAL Airs, and for me, these are currently today one of the most unique, easy, consumer-friendly devices that allows you to instantly see a big screen up to 130 inches. Think of it as almost like an IMAX screen just by popping on these glasses. You can see how slick they are. I mean, these are basically like wearing sunglasses, and you'll see an image projected here, 1080p, 60 hertz refresh rate, 8-bit color. It's bright, it's vivid. XREAL Air glasses, they can display a 130-inch screen in air casting mode and then up to a 201-inch screen when using the Nebula app in AR mode, that's for Mac, and then a 330-inch virtual display using the Beam. It looks really good. I mean, a lot of people here that try this for the first time, they're like, what is this company all about? So for a while, these glasses, these were released here in the US September of last year, and they were able to connect through some Android phones. You need an HDMI adapter to connect your iPhone directly to it and see what you see here. Also connect to some Windows machines. But what they're showcasing here is the new XREAL Beam. And what is this? This guy in my hand, think of this becomes the brains to the XREAL Air, and I'd almost think of it as kind of like a Chromecast or an Apple TV type device for these glasses. And what you'll do is you'll physically connect it via USB-C display port, and this allows you to connect to now any device, anything that basically has HDMI display port. So let's say I'm on an airplane and I want to connect to my Nintendo Switch and I want to see it in 130 inches with these bad boys on. This is going to do it. Now, software-wise on here, there's a few buttons. You'll have a home button that resets your screen right if it's not on the right orientation. The screen will kind of pop back up center. There's a D-pad here that allows you to manipulate the distance and the size of the screen. Obviously, I can't show it to you because you got to be wearing these. You do have to have this physically connected to the glasses, right? The glasses have no power. This is kind of the juice that supplies that power. So there will be a wire connected here, but let's say I just leave it on a table, pop these on at home. You can connect a PlayStation. You can connect an Xbox. You can connect a Switch. You could connect a laptop, any phone whatsoever, and this will do it all. The XREAL Beam can also connect wirelessly to any Apple device using AirPlay and any Android Windows device using Miracast, so this is extremely versatile. Another cool thing about this is this allows a new feature called 3DoF, or 3 degrees of freedom, when you're viewing the display here. And what happened is in the previous version right now, when you move your head, the screen would move with you. This allows it to detect that movement and keep that display completely fixed so it's centered. It's as if you had a floating TV at home. There's another feature here where you can basically move what you're seeing on the screen to the side and then still see your regular world. Kind of think of multitasking and being able to do other things while this is playing, and then if you want to, pop a big screen as well. They will be doing some software updates that access streaming apps. Think of being able to just instantly, without even having a device connected, like Netflix, streaming services, YouTube. That's coming as well in the future. For its battery capacity, it has a 4,870 milliampere hour battery, so that's going to give you up to 3.5 hours of battery life for a full charge. And then you can also charge to 50% in just 30 minutes. That supports up to 27-watt power delivery for fast charging. These glasses are $379. There's a package deal between the two of these. The link is going to be in the description. There's so much excitement, and a lot of people that I saw here come to the booth just be like, I need this. It's affordable. It's an experience that you instantly feel and get. They're not trying to do too much. They're just basically bringing a big screen anywhere you go that can connect to any device. It's pretty amazing. Now, I also talk about how this space is constantly evolving and changing. So I got to talk to co-founder PJ, and he told me where he sees this going.
Now, I see augmented reality or VR or mixed reality more as a display technology. So, to me, you're bringing the third pillar into this equation, right? You are turning a two-dimension space into a three-dimension, object. I think display technology will just amplify everything that semiconductor and the internet have allowed us to do, just to just unbelievable extents, right? So that's what I think. That's why I think AR is one of the major technological trends that people should pay attention to. It's not just about playing a game. It's not just about catching Pokemons on the road. It's really about how information can be displayed, right? When I display something on your phone versus when I display your LinkedIn profile right next to your face, it's a completely different game, right? So it's not just another sort of a one-trick pony thing.
Okay, so there you go. XREAL Air, XREAL Beam. Again, check out the link below. Pre-orders start right now, and yeah, I'm gonna need both of these.